They had,
It is another windstorm.
I don't know, somebody did some kind of...
Bad.
Some kind
Crazy.
Of where they went into a bunch of the servers. And,
How was your day, Ben?
Well, I passed up a buck this morning that I probably should have shot.
there's a little buck right there. It's too small though. It's just a little guy. Sorry for the horrible
And then like an hour later, I passed up a doe this morning that I probably should have shot.
There's a doe. And there's a little tiny springer buck. About 200 yards away, maybe.
Such was today the most unlucky day in the history of hunting.
Yes.
One of them. So did we tell the story already? Or there's a buck came out. They called one in. Aaron and
We were rattling.
Derek rattled,
It came along the
rang
trees.
it in, and Derek took a crack at it. It was 120 yards, something like that.
And totally missed.
Missed it.
I went and checked. There was no blood, no nothing.
And yeah, so that was
That was that.
that story. Then you guys saw two other deer later, right?
I never saw them because they went away
Yeah.
long before I could look over there.
And because of the traffic out here,
I was so mad. Could not believe it. Still can't believe it.
so yeah, two other. How's the story go? You had two
Well,
other.
I think we have
hunters
to start with probably what we thought was probably the most remote we've ever been.
Yeah.
We
that
set up
walk.
this wonderful tent in the most remote spot ever, and we're out hunting, and we hear a dozer,
Yeah, a bulldozer.
and then
Oh, where's your light?
within a half hour there
It's up
was a truck with 4 guys in it, 2 quads.
3 quads.
No, there was 2 quads with 2 guys.
There was a pair, and then the
and
the
then
lone
another
quad.
guy,
Quad
another
doubled.
quad with 2 guys on it, all within 15 minutes. So
And then a truck to pick up the guy in the dozer.
yeah, and then so
Yeah.
the most remote place ever turned into
The busiest place we've ever seen.
Metro something or other.
Like, we weren't done talking to any one of the guys. All of them hadn't left yet. We had a crowd outside our tent.
Yes, and it was funny because their comment was, "Boy, we feel bad for you guys. 'Cause
Yeah,
it looks
they're
like
laughing.
You guys spent a lot of energy to get up here to be by yourselves, and now look at all of us here."
Yeah.
At least those guys turned around. The quad guys the one guys just didn't even say anything. They just drove by, kind of looked away or whatever, and just went by. Like,
Yeah.
didn't say hi, didn't say nothing.
So then, that's the backstory. So we're out hunting, and I completely missed the buck. Aaron sees 2 deer about 20 minutes later at the exact same time that 2 hunters come up right past us, and the deer come out and go right back in the bush at the exact same time as these
Yeah.
guys are driving past.
And that was the only people we saw all afternoon.
Yes, the only.
At our only
And, like,
opportunity.
the only deer
opportunity we had.
The only chance.
And it's
Like,
only 30
mind-blowing.
seconds of the entire trip.
Right,
They
exactly.
should not have come.
Yes. Which again, I can't wrap my head around it.
I think we're gonna get taken off in this tent tonight.
Yeah, you should hang on to that.
And it is funny that
Are you
those
holding on
guys.
to it because you're concerned?
A little bit.
It is kind of funny that
That's
those guys
comfortable.
didn't see those deer either, or maybe they
They
did
might
and
have, but
just-
then they saw us,
Yeah.
and he probably thought, oh, I don't know. Whatever. It was
There's a lot of wind force on this thing.
Yeah.
You can really feel it.
the unluck we had today was this new record today.
Yes. There we go.
So pretty frustrating. Anyway, whatever. It's nice in
We
here
got
now.
an entire morning tomorrow.
We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Well, we'll see if the road has been opened up. The
Yes.
floodgates have been let
Yes.
loosed.
That was one of the comments of the guys. He's like, "Oh yeah, you think there's a lot of people now? Wait till tomorrow."
Yeah.
Thanks,
Oh
bro.
man,
Thanks. Bro.
I feel so bad for you guys.
Figure out how to take that home.
So here we are in the morning. We basically slept in a hurricane the entire night. Gale force winds.
That is just ridiculous.
Nobody got up to go hunting because we dealt with that all night. Derek, how was your sleep?
No comment.
Aaron,
My face.
how was your sleep?
Probably
My sleep actually was better than the night before.
Oh,
Oh, not at all. I mean, the only reason I know that I slept is because I remember having a dream. But other than that, I can't. It felt like I laid there for 10 hours.
I don't think I slept at all last night.
I slept a lot last night. I felt great waking up yesterday.
what are you thinking, Henry?
It feels like we're like on the edge of an ocean, and it's just straight on wind. But yet we're in the middle of a cut block, so
Yeah.
I don't know how the wind is getting to us. But it only comes like every minute, every other minute.
We're even like tucked nicely down a little road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're in the.
The funnel.
Yeah,
But then the wind stops like this, and then it just roars.
I mean, it's weird because you can hear it coming.
Yeah, it's crazy actually.
He's sitting at about 200 yards, and I can't shoot him. Ben's not with me. There's a couple does in the back there. So I'm gonna see if I can head off these does. Cookie's chasing. See if I can get them. Okay, so I gotta try to figure out what my plan of attack is gonna be, because I spooked them over there after I saw them there, and they kind of headed into the trees. But I suspect that they're gonna come out over here. So it's just like I thought, except a little further down. They're coming out over here. There's that buck, and there's some more does in there. So we'll see if I can get them. Okay, so I snuck up on him a little bit closer, and I went over a couple of hills, and now I'm like, I don't know, maybe 60 yards away, but downhill. It's a little bit through some weeds here, but I'll let you take a look at this doe here. Bloody buck again. This is like the third or fourth time where I put my bead on what I thought was a doe, and it turns out to be yet another spike, another buck. So we arrived back at the truck, and it is a new season when we arrived. It is now summer.
We left in November. We came back. It's May.
Yeah, the trail was really nice. Although, no trucks out there.
It was nice of them not to grade the truck in.
Yeah. Yeah, that would have been nice.
No, it was nice of them. Oh, I have to go backwards, I guess. Look how dirty everything is.
Yeah.
Oh well.
I have to load up, and we'll be on our way, I guess.
Mm-hmm.